and welcome everyone to MBA Page YouTube channel. Now today the topic that we have chosen is about the reserved category seat allocation. Okay, so आज की वीडियो में आपको यहाँ दिख रहा होगा that I have already tick marked okay certain things for these exams that we have. So CAT, SNAP, IFT. Okay, so these are four exams. Okay, and IRMA. Okay, where you see that these are the four different categories, which is SC, ST, OBC, and the economically weaker section. Okay, there are exams which have no criteria in terms of the reserve category. Okay, nothing like that is there. So those are exams like ZAT, NMAT, MyCAT. So yes, let's go ahead and check that what are the different categories and what are the different seat allocation, okay, which is given under these four exams. So before I go ahead, okay, just a request that if you want more updates, okay, so please do subscribe to our channel, because on our channel we have every night 8 p.m. we have a free live session that is happening here. So please do go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You have a lot of guidance videos coming up there, okay, so that will help you a lot towards your preparation. Also on Instagram, okay, we have a page, okay, wherein we have daily updates coming up with regards to the free questions, guidance videos, MBA college alerts, exam alerts. So you can go and follow us there on Instagram as well. Okay, now here you see that, okay, this is where I've said the seats for reserved category. Okay, so now for CAT exam, okay, they have four different categories. Okay, so this is defined which person with disability, which is the PWD category. Now under that there are three different areas under which they consider the disability. Okay, so low vision blindness, okay, or hearing impairment, okay, or locomotor disability. So these are the these are the three different areas under which, okay, someone who has got a disability and it is able to produce a certificate for that, okay, a certificate for persons with disabilities, can definitely apply through that. The other three areas, okay, is more of the caste categories that we have, is the OBC category. Now over here it is written NC, which is the non-creamy layer. So in under OBC also there are two layers. Okay, so there is creamy layer, non-creamy layer. So you need to be in the non-creamy layer, and if you have a OBC certificate under the non-creamy layer, only then you are eligible for this. And then we have the SC and the ST, these two categories that we have, and you can look at the weightage here, okay, the reservation that is given to them. So SC category has got 15% seat, ST has got 7.5, NC OBC has got 27%, okay. EWS is up to 10%, but however we get to see that usually the top colleges, IIMs and all that, okay, they are not able to fulfill or rather fill all the 10% of the seats, okay, because typically normally an IIM has got around 400 seats, so that means they have to take 40 students under the EWS category, but usually they are not able to find them. So most of the IIMs are not able to fulfill the EWS category seats. Now PWD is 5%. Okay, this overall would come down to somewhere around 60%. Okay, so 60% of the seats are distributed under the different reservations that is given here, and then the remaining 40%, okay, is, so these are approx numbers. Okay, as I said, okay, this EWS can at times do not even reach to 10% or 5%. So that those numbers are moved to the open category students. So yes, over here then you have 40%. Okay, that would go to open category. Now similarly you have SNAP. Okay, you have IAFT, and these are the different weightages of the different categories which are which are being accepted here. In IFT, you see is very much similar to CAT, because both of them are directly under the government. Okay, so the government handles them. Okay, some of the ministry. So this is basically under the HRD ministry, and this is in the Ministry of Commerce. So whatever is the government regulations with regards to reservations, okay, both these institutes are supposed to follow that. And this is a certificate that you need to produce, guys. So the reason I'm putting this video right now is we are expecting CAT registrations to start anytime in the next 1 or 2 weeks of time. So people who are going to apply under these categories, guys, you have to produce the certificate at the time of registration. You have to upload the certificate at the time of registration. So please make sure that you have the certificate ready with you, and in case you don't have it, please go ahead and start the process, because the CAT registration will be there for a month. Okay, and during that time you should be able to upload the certificate on the platform. All right, so this is what I wanted to show you here. I am also researching with regards to what are the total number of seats in IIMs, okay, and what are the bifurcation in terms of which category has got how many seats. So I'll produce a detail, I'll upload another detailed video with regards to that, that for each of the IIM, what are the total number of seats, okay, as well as what are the total number of seats for the open category, SC category, ST category, OBC category. I'm going to come up with that, okay, in a very detailed manner in the next video that I'm going to upload. For that, I'm just going to request you that please go ahead and like the video and also subscribe to our channel in case you have not done that. Thank you.